Hello guys, today I will be introducing the Scratch platform that we will be using for our upcoming projects. Now, using the previous video, once you guys are done signing up for your Scratch accounts and you are logged into your account and verified with your account, this is the screen that you would be seeing. This is kind of like the home page of Scratch, where you can explore some of the featured projects created by other people, some of the featured studios, and basically other projects. So whichever one you like, you could like click on it and see how the person has made the project, probably look a little bit into the codes, the design, and so much more. But keeping all that aside, we are going to work on how to create a new project on Scratch. So to do so, we have to hit the create button that is here on the top left of the screen. Once you click on the create button, it takes a couple of seconds and then it curates a new project for you. Now, by default, the Scratch guys, they add in a cat in your project. So this is how a blank project looks like on Scratch. Let me quickly tell you what are the things that we are seeing right here. I will start from the rightmost side. We have this box right here, which is called as the stage. This is the place where you can actually see your game, your animation, or whatever stuff that you're trying to create. um, right below this, you have these tiny boxes right here that show you whatever sprites are there in your project. So sprite basically means any object or thing or character that you've added to your project. For now, we only see a cat being added. Now to delete a sprite, you have to actually hit this recycle bin button that's right here, and with this you have successfully deleted the cat sprite. To add a backdrop or a background, you have to click on this button that is here on the bottom right side. You have to click on it and it opens up the entire backdrops library. So Scratch has a vast library that has a lot of different backdrops, so you can pick whichever one you want. I think I'm gonna go with the baseball backdrop. So we get our backdrop. You can see that the stage box, it now displays our backdrop. Now to add a sprite, beside the backdrop button, we've got another button which helps us add sprites. So if you click on it, you get the entire sprites library opening up. Now the sprites library is kind of categorized into different things. We've got animals, people, fantasy, dance, etc., etc. So you could either just search up from here, or I think I'm gonna go on to the people category to add in my sprite. I'm searching for somewhat like a player because, okay, I think I'm gonna put this batter since it's a baseball game. So can you see that I've added my player? So this is how you can actually add a backdrop and your sprites right here onto your stage. If you want, you could add another sprite. I'm just gonna try adding in a ball, a baseball rather, in this case. So down here, like I said, you would be able to see all the down here you would be able to see all Down here, you'll be able to see all the characters or the sprites that have been added to your project. Now, right here in the middle, this part right here is called as the coding section where we perform all the coding. All right. And how do we do the coding? We can get these code blocks that are here on the leftmost side. Now you're seeing all the blue colored code blocks, but these are not just in blue colors. We've got this entire coding palette right here. Do you see the different circles of different colors? So if you click on the different circles, you will be getting different set of code blocks depending on the color of it. And whichever code block you want, you can just drag it and you can drop it right here in the middle of the screen. All right. Now we've also got something called as costumes. So if you look at the top left, we've got code tab, we've got a costumes tab, and we've got a sounds tab. So you can go on to costumes, and once you come to costumes, you can actually see the picture of the sprite. So here you could draw and do whatever editing that you want for the sprite, or if you want to add different costumes, that can also be done. I will be creating another separate video to show you how we can create different costumes. Now we've got a sounds tab for which you can like use to add sounds. Again, I will be creating another video for you guys to see how we can add sounds and work with sounds. Now coming back to code, not just these coding palettes, we've got extensions on Scratch. So this square button right here on the bottom left, if you click on it, we've got a lot of extensions on Scratch, like the music extension, pen extension, video sensing, etc., etc. So you would be seeing different videos on each of these extensions. So that's kind of it for Scratch. I hope you guys found this video very useful, and I hope this helps you. Bye bye.